Hello everyone, this is my review of Rico's Nacho Cheese Dip. This cheese dip comes with 4 individual small packs that you can dip separately, so you have 4 different dipping packs. They're pretty small and compact, so you can put them in your lunch bag so you can have some cheese dip when you're on your lunch break. They're gluten free and they're microwavable. So if you like your cheese heated or hot when you're using it, it's good. The cheese is very soft and flavorful, creamy. You can dip it with just about anything you like to have cheese on. I'm using Doritos here, but you can use whatever chips that you like. I like this cheese dip, and I hope this review helps.